Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to make and build the Thomas & Friends Papercraft toy set. You will start by cutting out the profile of the train, using instructions provided in the kit or by ensuring that you stay within the outer bullet lines. To print a draft sheet to practice cutting and folding it out correctly. To help you see this process, I used an X-Acto knife, but scissors are recommended. Once you have cut out your train, you can fold each one of the tabs and sections of the train. These papercraft designs purposely use big tabs to improve adhesion and overall durability of each train. It is recommended that you pre-fold all tabs and train sections before you glue, but feel free to try what works best for you. When it comes to adhesion, a glue stick is recommended, but any type of craft glue will do. Work on attaching the optional train smokestack, as well as the train wagon hitch mechanism. A small cut towards the front and middle of the train will be needed to feed the smokestack through. You will glue the two small tabs from the inside to keep it permanently positioned. As for the hitch receiver, you can follow the lines from the template to glue and fold in half. You will also follow the other lines from the template to help you create a U or V-shaped bend, which will allow you to glue or staple this receiver to the train. For extra support, these trains were specifically designed to allow you to fill in with a roll of toilet paper tube for better play, action, and durability. We will now work on assembling the wagon. Just like the train, you will cut out the profile using the instructions from the template. It is recommended that you fold all sections that need to be folded prior to gluing. The most important step here is to leave one of the tabs, either the front or the rear, available for the hook-shaped hitch receiver installation. This hook-shaped hitch receiver will have some lines you can follow for reference in bending. You can glue or staple in place as well. For the high-speed train, you will start out by cutting out the profile using instructions provided in the kit, or by ensuring that you stay within the outer bolded lines of the train. Once you have cut out your train, you can fold each one of the tabs in sections. It is recommended that you pre-fold all tabs and train sections before you glue, but feel free to try what works best for you. You can follow the same process as shown earlier when installing the hitch receiver on the high-speed train setup. As mentioned before, feel free to add a tube of toilet paper to increase strength and durability. You can find these designs as well as many more different themes on the Etsy link store provided in the description of the video. If you have some special theme requests you would like, feel free to leave it in the comments as I'm able to make them for you. I hope you enjoyed making these as much as I enjoyed designing them for display and pretend play. If you found some value in this video, feel free to like, comment, share, or even subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching.